Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm doing an indoor job today and not out in the garden. We're in the process of having our bedroom done, or remodeled as I say in America. And I've been tasked with the job of fitting a headboard to this wall. I don't really want to use these pieces of wood that came with the headboard because in my experience the headboard wobbles about and that's not satisfactory to me. So how am I going to do it? Another thing, how can I install a mirror so that it's flat? They have got fittings on the back of these, but inevitably it won't be flat to the wall. I want it to be flat to the wall. And the same is true for a picture. This is a large, heavy picture. Now it has had a string on it, but the string is useful because it's easy to level. But I'm always a bit worried about the strength of that string, and also when it's hanging on the wall it does tend to lean out and I want it to be flush. So how am I going to tackle these three jobs? Right, well, what I've got in this box might be the answer. Let me bring the camera in close and I'll open the box up on the floor and show you what's in here. So here in this box we have what are known as French cleats. So if I slip them out of this polythene sleeve, you'll see immediately how they work. There are 4 pieces. There are actually 2 sets. So if you just look at one set for now, one piece gets attached to either the bed head or the mirror or the picture frame, and the other one is attached to the wall. And what happens essentially is you just hang one on the other. So that would be attached to the picture or the bed head, and you would just offer it up and slide it down behind like that, and you can see they fit together. Now let me show you in a bit more detail on the bed head. So here's the bed head and here's the wall, and I've actually got 2 sets here, as you can see. So I will be able to fit one set at this end and the other down at the other end, and that will give me great stability. Now let me just demonstrate how these actually work. One part of this set will be attached to the bed head here, and the opposite side will be attached to the wall. And so that you can imagine, as you lift that over and offer it up, it just slips down behind and holds this in place. And as you can hopefully see, it's a very slim fitting, and the bed head will appear flush to the wall because it's a very narrow, slim fitting. So there you are, French cleats. Now I will put the Amazon link to these in the description box below this video, just in case you want to go and buy some. If you buy through my links, I do receive a small commission, and your support is greatly appreciated. Now I got 2 in one pack, so in actual fact I could do both the mirror and the picture with one pack because I wouldn't need 2 on this picture frame. I could just hang one set in the middle there and that would work. That would be enough for one picture. So French cleats. Now if you want to see a full practical demonstration, I will be doing this bed head on video, and I will link to that video in the description box below this one, just in case you want to see me actually fit it. In this video I've told you about the product. I hope you can go and buy it, but if you want to see me fit one and see how it works out, there will be another video linked in the description box below this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon for some more French cleat adventures. Bye for now.